How much is 1 ounce of platinum worth? I asked an expert. Okay, Sherry, how much is platinum worth? What's 1 ounce of platinum go for?
Platinum, the market today is $919. I remember when I first started doing this a million years ago, platinum was almost double what gold was at that point in time. I think platinum is very, very underrated. It's a very scarce metal, much, much scarcer than gold.
You mentioned spot price was what?
Spot price is $919.
So what do you sell this platinum piece for?
Well, Platinum Eagles, because it's an American mint product, okay, they charge $100 over the spot price of platinum for it.
Okay.
So, and then I work on, 3% or 4%, whatever that number is over my cost on that. And the same with platinum bars, the Valcambi bars, the PAMP bars, all of that stuff. My cost is about $50 over platinum, and then I work on a percentage over that number.
Okay. Thanks, Sherry.
Thanks.